Hi there, this is Gabriela with another Money Robot video. Okay, let's talk about another common question. How many threads to use in Money Robot Summiter? Okay, these are what we're talking about the thread. Okay, I don't know if I'm pronouncing correctly. I don't think so, but this is what we're talking about. Okay, what first of all, what does mean? Means each one of these is similar like I have a person, a human person, working in the background for you. It's like having one person, okay, or two person, or three, whatever numbers you're gonna put here. Uh, Sit and working, logging to blogs and creating blogs for you with a keyword, and that means okay. This can go up to 50. Let me tell you few things. Everything's gonna be dependent on several factors. First of all, your computer can handle or not. With 4 GB, okay, 4 GB on your computer, you can do it, no problem at all. The only thing you need to check and make sure the success rate maybe is not gonna be 80%, 85%. That's the normal rate supposed to have. Okay, means you need to take it down. Okay, now also going to depend on what exactly are you looking for. If you are looking for too many, that's wonderful. Uh, the normal speed is from 10 to 15. That's the best way to get a really success rate. But if you have a really good internet and you have a really powerful computer, you can use until 50. Just try and see how is work with your computer. And also it depends, people like, having um, backlink creation a little lower, like I don't want 2,500 links in one day, another one they want, that's mean it's going to depend. I hope this helped you. Please let me know if you have any question. And until next one. Bye.